Everyone wants to get rich quick, but the real money is made by waiting. Today, I'm showing you what happens when you buy QQQ and do absolutely nothing. We're constantly bombarded by the noise of the market. Buy this stock, sell that one. Everyone is trying to find the next Nvidia or Apple before it takes off. But picking individual winners is incredibly difficult and risky. News headlines scream about market crashes, creating chaos and fear, tempting us to make emotional decisions. But there's a simpler, calmer approach. It's the QQQ ETF. Think of it as a curated basket of the 100 largest, most innovative non-financial companies on the NASDAQ. Instead of gambling on a single stock, you're investing in the power of American innovation as a whole. You get exposure to giants like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet, all in one simple investment. You're not just buying a stock, you're betting on the future. So what does this look like in practice? Let's look at the math. Historically, the QQQ has delivered strong average returns. Now, remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. But let's visualize this. Here's a jar of cash in savings, barely growing. And here's the QQQ graph, steadily climbing over time. The power isn't in timing the market. It's in time in the market. Real wealth is built through patience and consistency. It's the Lazy Millionaire Secret. If you want to follow my portfolio updates and learn more about long-term strategies, hit that subscribe button.